Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be making the first recipe of 2023, and that is going to be a quick and easy spinach and feta phyllo pie, also known as Borek in Turkey or Spanakopita in Greece. Take a bowl like so, and to this bowl add in one medium-sized onion, then taking one egg. I'm going to beat this and then add this to the bowl. Take about 200 grams of chopped spinach and add this to the bowl. And to this add in 150 grams of feta cheese. To this also add in half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Give this a lovely mix. Making sure that you have the onions, the egg, the spinach and the feta all properly incorporated. Now that we have our filling done, I'm going to leave this aside. Then taking another bowl, I'm going to add in one egg and 2 tablespoons of full cream yogurt. To this, I'm also going to add in about a tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to give this a quick mix. I've now got all my components that I need to make the borek. Here's my spinach and feta filling. I've got my yogurt and egg mix, some phyllo pastry. Always make sure that the phyllo pastry is covered. And I've got a casserole here that's about 15 by 20 centimeters and about 5 centimeters deep. And I'm going to lightly grease this with some olive oil. Once you've greased this, it's time to start layering. Start by scrunching up some phyllo pastry and placing this in your bowl or casserole. Then brush your egg mixture. Add in another layer of phyllo. Then brush some more egg mixture over this. Dividing my spinach mixture into 2, I'm going to add this over. So this is one portion. Then scrunch up another layer of phyllo and place this over the spinach. Forget to add your yogurt mixture. Add in more phyllo dough. The yogurt mixture. Then add in your final layer of spinach. Finish off by adding in some squashed phyllo pastry. And top this off with the remaining egg and yogurt mixture. Garnish this with some polished sesame seeds. And it's always advisable to cut this while it is still raw. Just so that it makes it easier once it's baked. Now let's bake this in a preheated oven, 180 degrees Celsius, for about 30 to 35 minutes. And this is what it will look like after 35 minutes in the oven. So I'm just going to cut along the lines that I cut before I baked them. Here's a delicious slice of the spinach and feta borek.